About the DX-format CMOS sensor with optical filter point half system with tracking and matrix meter NGI frames per second continue. About the DX-format CMOS sensor with optical filter point half system with tracking and matrix meter NGI frames per second continue. About the DX-format CMOS sensor with optical filter point half system with tracking and matrix meter NGI frames per second continue. About the DX-format CMOS sensor with optical filter point half system with tracking and matrix meter NGI frames per second continue.